Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix photos are not syncing to cloud in Samsung Galaxy A15, A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your photos are not syncing to cloud, so the very first thing I recommend you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. Also recommend you have to use Wi-Fi for this. Then go to settings here, go to connections, go to Wi-Fi, click on these three dots over here, click on advanced settings, make sure that sync with Samsung Cloud is enabled from here. So once you have enabled, your Samsung Cloud will sync your data from here and more information, and here you will see more information of your Samsung Cloud. Then go back from here, and if you're still facing the same issue that your data is not synced to your cloud, just scroll down, go to apps here, click on the sort option and click on allow or show system maps, click OK, go to search and search for Samsung Cloud. Here you must see Samsung Cloud, click on it, go to storage and click on clear cache. So it will clear cache, junk files or temporary files of your Samsung Cloud. So if there will be any error with your cloud app, it will be fixed in this app. So after that you might not get that issue again. If you're using your OneDrive app instead of your Samsung Cloud, so you have another fix. The very first thing you have to make sure that you're logged into your Microsoft account in OneDrive. Open the OneDrive app and here just log in or sign in with an account. I'm not going to log in my account there. I'm going to skip my photos here. I'll click on allow access to photos and you may see all your photos and videos in this section. So all your data will be synced to your OneDrive, or you can also click on this account option, click on add account to add your account here. And once I've added your account in your gallery app in menu in settings, you might see a further setting here to sync your data to OneDrive. And once I've enabled that, all your data or all your videos and photos will be synced through your OneDrive and you can easily access them later. You can also access them from your PC. So in this way, you can easily enable or you can easily fix your sync to cloud issue in your Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.